To all. Today we will discuss the question answer of lesson number 3 and then you will keep the second book and we will start the first lesson of that book. Okay, first question. What do you mean by health? Health क्या है? Health is a positive state of mentally well-being and physically well-being. When we are completely stress-free, disease-free and we live in a perfect environment or atmosphere, that can be called the positive state of health. Okay, this is the question number 1. How can we remain mentally well? When we have better family relationship, better relations with the neighbors, better relations with the friends, we can have the positive mental health, better interaction and better relationship help us to get the state of mental well-being. What is the quality of environmental conditions in developed countries? In developed countries, the environmental conditions are very improved and they live in a better environment. That's why the people in the developed countries enjoy a better physical health and they live a long life. What is the advantage of environmental condition in developed countries? ये भी हमने डिस्कस कर लिया, इसको कोई नीड नहीं है. How can the infectious disease be treated properly? जो infectious disease है उनको आप कैसे treat कर सकते हैं? Infectious disease can be treated properly with the help of better vaccination. Better vaccination will give a courage to fight against such kind of disease, and also the environment and atmosphere also help to fight against the disease that are caused infectious disease. Yes. Next question. What is the attitude of doctors towards better health in developed countries? Doctors in developed countries mostly, you can say, pay attention to better medical conditions, better medical facilities, and they often ignore the other important issues like education, nutrition, whatever. Yes. Question number 7. What is the disadvantage of decline of human values in developed nation? जो ह्यूमन वैल्यूज कंटिन्यूसली कम होते जा रहे हैं डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज में, उसका नुकसान क्या है? तो यू कैन से द डिक्लाइन ऑफ ह्यूमन वैल्यूज इन डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज प्रोवाइड ए नेगेटिव इफेक्ट इन द एटीट्यूड ऑफ द पब्लिक, इन द एटीट्यूड ऑफ द पीपल. द रिलेशनशिप among the family members are getting weaker and weaker day by day, and they are moving towards the state of depression, anxiety and frustration. It also increases their stress level. Now we are moving to the 8th question. How do people in developing countries waste their limited resources? Developing countries में कैसे लोग अपने limited resource को वेस्ट करते हैं? इन द डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज पीपल वांट टू कॉपी द पीपल ऑफ डेवलप्ड कंट्री बट दे कांट एंड दे कैन नॉट अंडरस्टैंड इट. दे ऑफन स्पेंड ए लॉट ऑफ मनी ऑन डॉक्टर्स, ऑन ड्रग्स, even for minor issues, even for minor disease that can be easily treated by the home remedies. What are the benefit of using home remedies to maintain health? Home remedies provide a better health, a perfect health, a positive health approach. The home remedies don't have any kind of side effects. Sometimes in some disease, the drug is more dangerous than the disease itself due to the side effects. How can the body signals help in achieving good health? Every person has the power to monitor his body, but he is unable to understand or recognize the body signals. The body signals will help us to monitor our body, and we can easily achieve the physical and mental health. What is the harmful effect on children when their parents put too much pressure on them? When the parents put too much pressure on the students, on the children, it moves them towards the negativity. They can be affected with depression, anxiety, frustration, and it can completely disturb their life. Okay, आपको 11 क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट करने हैं. That's all for today. Have a nice day.